Hi kids! Today we learn about horses. Horses sleep standing up or lying down, and they can even nap while standing. Baby horses are called foals, and they can run just a few hours after being born. Horses use their ears, eyes and tails to show how they're feeling, happy, scared or curious. Horses have big hearts both in their chest and in their personality. They can bond closely with people. There are over 300 different breeds of horses, and they come in many sizes, colours and personalities. What will you learn next?